Well, as you can probably guess, ploughing season has commenced. We've just started ploughing for some winter barley we're putting in here. 25 acres in these couple of fields, roughly in and around, and this is the last piece we've got left. So we'll be finishing hopefully about 40 minutes maybe, by the time we have the headlands and all done. I've got the 6930 and the overarm reversible plough, and Jerry's coming behind. Him and the Seagulls have got he's in the 6420S and he has a 3/4 Cavernon plough on. We're just on the outskirts of Dundalk. As you can see, we've got the Cooley Mountain Peninsula just out here to the left hand side in front of it, towards the front, and the right hand side, I don't know if you can see it there, you might just be able to see it through the trees, is Dundalk Greyhound and Horse Racing Stadium. You also got the lights there. There's an all-weather track there. So we're just on the outskirts of Dundalk. As you can see here, we spread some dung on this earlier in the week, and this is where it was tipped around this area. So it's a little bit wet, a little bit sticky going through here, but not too bad. We're nearly past the worst of it anyway. Now we just get out of the way for Jerry coming down. There's Jerry in the 6420. 6420 is a fantastic tractor. We've had it since 2004. We bought it new, and it's done some heavy work. It's been punching above its weight since we got it, and it's never really let us down, or never give a whole pile of hassle. So we won't be saying anything bad about the 6420S, that's for sure. 6930, we have it now. This is the third year we've had it, and so far so good as well. There was 1,000 hours on it when we got it, and we're up to 2600. So yes, give no hassle. We've keep the diesel to her on the way she goes, but a very good tractor. It's our main tractor now. Yeah, unfortunately not going to get much footage from outside because my man for doing the outside footage, Ben, my brother, is at college, so it's going to be this short video inside. Is about the height of it, I'm afraid, but we'll get a little bit of footage when we're sowing it. We use a Massey 500 seed drill, a little bit old school, but we'll get a bit of footage of that. I haven't put any footage of it up. I've some footage up from before from an old Massey 30 that we had, but the 500 is just a little bit fresher and much better machine. So that's really it. How much more I can show you today. So that's it from the dog. Until next time.